just chilling out at Lambert Airport. I got a roundabout Lambert Airport. I'm from St. Louis, Missouri. But check me out. I'm just checking out the airport, checking out Delta Airlines. While I'm looking at the back of my phone and my lips, making sure I'm cool, looking at my little gold. But anyway, check me out. I'm looking at Delta Airlines. I don't know what's going on the plane right now. But if you want to hear my music, go to www.myspace.com. Type traditional STL, TRADITIONAL, STL, all is one word. I'll go to the MySpace, www.myspace.com. Type traditional STL, TRADITIONAL. Just the airport. Check me out. I'm trying not to get nobody's face on her. Yo, I'm just chilling. Just trying to see if any other planes are coming in. Ain't no other planes coming in right now. Trying to see how long the airplane is. Look like about, let's see, about 16, more than 16 feet. It's got to be more than 16 feet. It looks 16 feet to me, but it's a lot larger. Check it out, Delta Airlines. Or hit me up on the Twitter, www.twitter.com @traditionalSTL. The S sign, TRADITIONALSTL. Y'all see that train back there? Yeah, y'all probably can't see it on a small phone. I'm trying to see if I can catch a plane coming in. They got AA over here. Check it out. It's AA Airlines. You only can see the back of it. American Airlines. No homo. Trying to stay age free. Touching down at Lambert Airport looking for a female of some sort, cause it be dangerous. Them young whites holler, I done lived through the slavery days. Why they blaming us? Look at the TV, you know they explaining us. The crooked cops the first to cuff. Dude with knives on the side the first to get tough. But I'm chilling, man. That's just a part of my rhymes. If you want to hear more, if you go to www.myspace.com, type traditional STL, all is one word. Bye.